Hello, I'm Jon Ashworth, Labour's Shadow Health Secretary, and I want to start by congratulating you for organising this really important conference. I'm sorry I can't be with you today because of other appointments I've got in Leicester, but you've got my full support. I'm passionate about improving mental health provision in this country. It's time we delivered parity of esteem. That's a commitment that Jeremy Corbyn has made of the next Labour government, and it's my commitment if I'm fortunate enough to be the next Labour Health Secretary. Mental health services have been neglected for too long in this country, and the sad truth is we are letting down thousands of people. Just 0.7% of the NHS budget is spent on children's mental health. Children's and adolescent mental health services have seen their budgets raided and cut back, and in a quarter of cases, children's and adolescents mental health services have had to turn young people, desperate young people, away. This can't go on. We've got to start giving real investment to mental health services, but particularly to children's and adolescent mental health services as well. It's a scandal in this country that we've lost so many mental health staff since 2010, that we've lost so many beds in mental health wards, that we have children being treated on adult wards, that we have children in desperate circumstances, sometimes with anorexia or other conditions, sent far away from their homes, sent as far away as Scotland, or being left on adult wards. I want to put an end to that as Labour's next Health Secretary. I'm going to put the money into children's mental health services and adult mental health services. I want to ring-fence the budgets. And because it's not always appropriate for children to be on wards, I want to ensure that there is enough support so as children can stay at home as well, but given the sort of quality treatment and care that they need. This is the 70th anniversary this year of the National Health Service. It's one of the greatest achievements of this country. But in those 70 years, we've never really given mental health services the priority and the investment they deserve. It's time we change that. So I'm delighted you're organising this conference. I'm delighted you're debating the issues, but you have my commitment that the next Labour government will put the investment into mental health services, will stop the cutbacks, will stop the scandal of desperate vulnerable people being sent to poor quality private providers because there isn't the public provision, there isn't the quality public provision of mental health services as well. I've seen for myself how important mental health services are. I've visited mental health services across the country just a few weeks ago. I was at the eating disorders unit here in Leicester, so I know the challenges and the pressures our services are under. But as I say, my commitment to you in the 70th anniversary of the NHS is to put the investment in and to rebuild public mental health services that we can all be proud of. Thank you for organising this conference, and have a good day.